Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best beach stationery available: Beach Sunset Stationery Paper. If you're someone who loves to add a touch of summer and coastal charm to your letters, invitations, or creative projects, this stationery is made just for you. Let's start with the basics. This Beach Sunset Stationery Paper comes in a pack of 80 sheets, each measuring the standard letter size of 8.5 by 11 inches. That makes it perfect for everyday use, whether you're printing out summer event invitations, heartfelt encouragement letters, poetry, or even memorial notes. The design features a stunning beach sunset theme that instantly transports you to those relaxing oceanfront evenings, making any written message feel special and inviting. What truly stands out about this stationery is the quality of the paper itself. It's made from a high-quality 28-pound bond stock. This means the sheets are thick and durable, yet smooth enough for writing or printing. Whether you're using an inkjet or laser printer, or even a copier, this stationery is designed to work flawlessly. The sturdy paper stock helps prevent ink from bleeding through, giving you a crisp, clean finish every time. The vibrant orange tones of the sunset design bring warmth and brightness to your correspondence. It's not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing, enhancing the overall experience of sending or receiving a letter. This kind of detail is what makes stationery like this more than just paper. It's a way to convey emotion and personality. This product also supports small businesses, which is something to appreciate if you like to shop with intention and support local or smaller scale producers. It's a thoughtful touch, especially in today's marketplace. One thing to note is that shipping may be limited depending on your location. Currently, this particular item cannot be shipped to certain international destinations, so be sure to check if it's available for delivery in your area before making a purchase. In summary, Beach Sunset Stationery Paper combines practicality with a beautiful design, making it ideal for personal or event use. The 80-sheet pack ensures you'll have plenty on hand for multiple projects, and the compatibility with various printers means you can customize your messages with ease. If you're looking to bring a little beachside magic to your letters and printed materials, this stationery is a wonderful choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.